Top reasons your career wants you to move to Ohio. So many amazing growth opportunities, high-paying jobs in technology, advanced manufacturing, engineering, life sciences, and more. You'll soar to new heights, just like the Wright brothers, John Glenn, even Neil Armstrong. Their careers all took off in Ohio, and yours can too. A job that can take you further, and a place you can't wait to come home to. Have it all in the heart of it all. Launch your search at callohiohome.com.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today we're going to discuss Lamborghini, some stocks that are falling, and a lot more. So first, Lamborghini had a great quarter. They sold 8,700 cars, which might not seem that much, but when the lowest cost car is $250,000, that's still a really, really good number. Now, some people are dreaming of a white Christmas. I am dreaming of a black Lamborghini, or they say amongst rich people, a Lambo, which is not a phrase I would ever use. Second, here's 5 stocks that really struggled on Friday, some more than others. And we'll give you a special gift certificate option here if you get the ad phrases for 2 of these companies and text Scott Becker at 773-766-5322. Stocks that dropped on Friday include Alcoa, Tempest AI, UnitedHealth Group, Oshkosh Corporation, and Oscar Health. Again, if you're the first person to text me the complete ad phrases, the famous ad phrases for Alcoa and Oshkosh, I will send you a $25 Amazon gift certificate. That text number is 773-766-5322. Third story we're following, the high-end condo market in Chicago is getting clobbered. A great story in the Wall Street Journal. It's not just Ken Griffin. It's rich Chicago residents are losing their shirts on real estate. Fourth story we're following this morning, Macy's is down 18%. An investor, Barrington Capital, says they should cut their cost now. Barrington Capital is an activist investor. Again, they're down 18% year to date. Fifth story we're following, again, TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, says Intel should have focused on AI, not so much on commodity chips. Obviously, he was right. They're down at 58% year to date. Intel is, Taiwan is still one of the biggest chip makers in the world. Finally, read The Entrepreneur's Edge. It's almost free at Amazon. You can get it for 99 cents, I think, digitally. If you leave a review and you're the first person to do so today, I'll also send you a $25 Amazon gift certificate. 773-766-5322. A couple other things that we're watching. U.S. President Trump says he's not going to try and replace Powell now. Thank goodness. This is a very Trumpian type of move to talk up something and walk it back. I'm thrilled to see him walk this back. He's got an uncanny either ability, however you want to call it, but he knows when to step back. Just like he stepped back on ACA. It's actually impressive that he's able to rant about Powell and then realize he's not really replacing Powell and to shut up. I don't know if I love it or hate it, but I'm pleased to see him walk this back. Finally, the Syrian civil war and evolving problems in Saudi Arabia, Canada, France are largely beyond the scope of this newsletter. But my God, the world is a challenging place. Again, thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Hopefully there's a Lamborghini under the Christmas tree. I'm sure there is not, but God bless America. Thank you for listening. Always feel free to text Scott Becker, 773-766-5322 with your ideas and thoughts. We appreciate it so much. And thank you to our magnificent producer, Chanel Bunger. We love working with Chanel. Thank you very, very much.
Top reasons your career wants you to move to Ohio. So many amazing growth opportunities, high-paying jobs in technology, advanced manufacturing, engineering, life sciences, and more. You'll soar to new heights, just like the Wright brothers, John Glenn, even Neil Armstrong. Their careers all took off in Ohio, and yours can too. A job that can take you further, and a place you can't wait to come home to. Have it all in the heart of it all. Launch your search at callohiohome.com.